Top 3 celebrity lipo results that actually look great. Chrissy Teigen. She has notoriously talked about doing lipo in this axillary fold area. It's an area that not a lot of people talk about, but a lot of women are concerned with. And it comes up all the time in consults. The proportion of it is good. It's a little small area. You do lipo there, it reduces by about 50%, matches the rest of your body. The before and after photos I've seen of her actually look really good. Timing wise, you can kind of do it throughout your whole life. I've done it on people from their 20s up into like their 50s. And the aging longevity, it tends not to come back. So that's a small thing, but the longevity of that result is really good and will age with you properly. Patricia Heaton, she says she had lipo around her midsection. There's some swimsuit photos of her out there. Proportionally, it looks like it was a conservative result. It looks like they did some debulking lipo around her midsection. There's no crazy high definition or anything too crazy going on. You can see a little bit of bloating going on, but that's from the intra-abdominal fat. So the lipo results on the outside are actually pretty clean, not terrible. Timing wise, kind of middle of her career in life and stuff. A lot of times, sometimes when people get older, they're not the best candidates for lipo because the skin's a little bit more stretchy, but it looks like her skin snapped back. And the longevity of the results, you know, good clean lipo results, they should last you a long time. So as long as she doesn't gain a ton of weight or lose a ton of weight, these results should last her quite a bit. Kim Kardashian, there's a lot to talk about here. So proportionally, when she was thicker, this is probably a proportion that matched her aesthetic. But what's interesting is that she has probably had lipo BBL a few times. And when you have it a few times, it's hard to continuously have clean results. So she's probably had a lipo BBL at one point. She probably got another one again. Maybe she had more lipo to kind of reduce some of this stuff. So timing wise, it seems like she was getting a lot of frequent work done depending on where her life goals were at that time. So it's probably more frequent than the average person. And the longevity, here's the interesting thing. There's clean results on her lipo. And when people get multiple lipo results, it's hard to have good clean results that doesn't create fibrosis and stuff. So she probably went to surgeons who knew what they were doing and they got really clean results each time. And maybe they were slightly a little conservative so that these results would have more longevity.